What is this? It's looked like this road has obstacle. Okay, let me wait here.
Hey guys, there is no way to pass here. Hey sister, we need your help.
Okay, wait. I have got an idea, so please relax. Please, we need help. The road has an obstacles.
Okay, let's go.
Hello there.
It's not what it looks like.
Yeah, boy.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay, thank you. Ooh, my God, what is this again?
Hey, we need to go back, guys. This way is not good for us.
Hey, what are you doing?
It's looked like there is a monster, so be careful. No, I'm going to report him.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey, we need help. Please just follow me. Hey, please bring our friend out. We can shot you now.
Enemy down.